In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Plaky features comparison for project management. If you've been weighing which tool to bring into your workflow, this walkthrough will give you a clear, practical lens for deciding. At a high level, the difference comes down to a trade-off between total feature depth and simplicity with affordability. ClickUp positions itself as an everything app, aiming to replace multiple tools in one place. Plaky takes the opposite path, focusing on a streamlined, intuitive experience that gets teams productive fast while keeping costs low. Think of ClickUp as a Swiss Army knife with every blade imaginable, and Plaky as the clean, lightweight tool you can hand to anyone on your team without a training session. Let's start with ClickUp, the customization powerhouse. This platform is designed for teams that want to consolidate tasks, docs, whiteboards, and goals into a single environment. It shines when workflows are complex, multi-layered, or unique to your organization. If you're running a large team or an agency where work spans multiple departments and deliverables, ClickUp's depth can unify everything you do under one roof and provide a shared source of truth. A big part of that strength is its advanced views. ClickUp offers more than 15 perspectives on the same work, from Gantt charts to mind maps, workload, and even map view. That breadth is especially helpful when you need to flip between planning and execution. Gantt unveils dependencies and timelines in a way that keeps bottlenecks visible. Mind maps are great for brainstorming and connecting ideas before turning them into actionable tasks. Workload helps you allocate resources intelligently by highlighting who's at capacity and who can take on more. Map view is handy for location-based tasks, field operations, or teams tracking work across regions. Compared to Plaky's more focused selection, ClickUp's variety lets specialized roles see exactly what matters to them without rebuilding the system each time. ClickUp also brings in a native AI layer called ClickUp Brain. This is built to automate task summaries and answer questions about your internal workspace data. When information lives across tasks, comments, and docs, that quick intelligence saves time and keeps details from slipping through the cracks. For service-based teams, native time tracking is another highlight, with built-in timers and billing features that keep effort, scope, and invoicing tightly connected. Underpinning all of this is ClickUp's deep hierarchy: spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. It's rigid but powerful, letting you organize at scale while maintaining consistent standards, permissions, and reporting. Now for the trade-off. All that capability can mean a steep learning curve. The interface packs in options that can feel cluttered, especially for smaller teams or those new to structured project management. If you go with ClickUp, expect to invest time in naming conventions, permission sets, and view configurations. A thoughtful setup pays off, but it's not the kind of tool most people fully understand in a single afternoon. On the other side is Plaky, the lean and intuitive alternative built by Cake.com, the makers of Clockify. Plaky is all about no-fuss project management that you can get up and running in minutes rather than days. It's an excellent fit for small to mid-sized businesses that find ClickUp bloated or simply don't need an all-in-one platform. If you want something that feels approachable to every team member on day one, Plaky does that well. One of Plaky's biggest draws is its generous free plan. In 2026, it remains one of the few tools offering unlimited users and projects on its free tier, which is a massive win for growing teams and organizations with fluctuating headcounts. When you do need to upgrade, its paid plans typically run between $3.99 and $8.99 per user, making it significantly more affordable than comparable tiers in ClickUp. Plaky also integrates with Clockify for time tracking and Pumbl for team chat, both part of the Cake.com family. That means you can build a modular suite rather than rely on one giant app, adding only what you actually need. The user experience in Plaky is flat and clean, often feeling like a well-organized spreadsheet or a straightforward Kanban board. It's easy to adopt, and you won't spend much time hunting through nested menus to make simple updates. The limitation is that Plaky doesn't include the same breadth of native features you'd find in ClickUp. If you want whiteboards, advanced goal tracking modules, or similarly specialized capabilities built right in, Plaky won't cover that without bringing in connected tools. For many teams, that's an acceptable trade, especially when the priority is clarity, speed, and cost control. So which should you choose? Go with ClickUp if your organization needs to manage thousands of tasks with complex dependencies, custom automations, and native time tracking all in one place. The variety of views, the AI assistance, and the deep hierarchy will reward teams that crave granular control and consolidated reporting. The price you pay is time and attention during setup and onboarding, but you'll get a robust system that scales with intricate processes. Pick Plaky if you want a clean, affordable tool your team can learn in 5 minutes. It's ideal for small to mid-sized teams that value focus over breadth. The free plan with unlimited users and projects is especially compelling, and if you already use Clockify for timekeeping or Pumble for chat, Plaky slots in neatly. It's also a smart choice when you want a project management tool that won't charge you extra for adding more team members, making it easier to bring collaborators into your workspace without revisiting the budget every time. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.